Nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back to Unboxmas. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. If you are returning, you know already how I feel about you. If you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Auntie Ren. This is Unboxmas, kind of like vlogmas but with unboxings instead of following me around my regular life, because that's just not as entertaining. So here we are. Happy Monday everyone. Today is the 20th of December. We are just closing down the week. We're starting off Monday strong, but yeah, I hope everyone had a great weekend, was able to get some things done, was able to get that last minute shopping done. Yeah, all the things that have to do with the holidays. So we are just starting off the week. This is the last week of Unboxmas. I hope you lot have been enjoying it. I've been enjoying doing this, but I'm not gonna lie, it is exhausting filming every day. Not even gonna lie, exhausting filming every day and having a regular life. Like if I didn't like work and have like a regular schedule and then was doing this, then I don't think it would be as bad. But yeah, it's more than I thought it was going to be. Let's just put it that way. Maybe I'll do like at the end of it all like a recap and say, you know, how I feel like I did. But it was yeah, I anticipated it to be a lot smoother, but woo, it took us for a ride, so for sure. So I hope you all are enjoying it, are having fun, as much fun as I'm having. I'm so hyped for this one, so let's get into it. All right, unboxing. If you saw the title, because I believe I will be putting, so yeah, I do all the titles and everything after I film, obviously. So I'm hoping it will say it, because brown box live. Hashtag brown box live. We back at it, back again, back like we never left, back and better than ever. LV unboxing, Louis Vuitton unboxing. You know I'm a Louis lady. You know I go hard for Louis Vuitton. You know, I've been straying a little, you know, messing with some other brands. I think this is only the second item that we unboxed from Louis Vuitton for Unboxmas, not because of lack of trying, but it's been a struggle to get any of the items that I really like. I don't have an essay with Louis Vuitton, which is crazy to me. At one point they assigned me one online, like on my online profile. It was like, hi, I'm your virtual essay, let me give you some suggestions. I was getting that for a while, but then that fell off. So I don't know, maybe because I didn't buy anything with them for a while or what have you. So I don't have a essay with Louis. So yeah, so when I want things, I have to go the good old-fashioned route and I have to stalk the website or go into the stores, and I'm not going into the stores. That's just not my vibe. I'm online, whatever, or I'm calling you or whatever. If you can have a courier bring it over, that's even better. But I'm not really in the stores like that anymore, not like I used to be, unless I have to be. But I'm not really like going into shops anymore like that. So it's like, you know, Louis it's just too complicated to get it done. So I've just been straying to other brands that just been a little bit easier to get to, other brands where I have essays now, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, but that doesn't mean that, you know, we still love Louis. We still Louis ladies over here in the heart of hearts. In my heart of hearts, I'm a Louis lady. So you know, I had to bring at least one more back for last week as we close out the week, and I think this is going to be a gem. And I love to see the holiday wrapping, so I hope they gave me that in this box, and we're going to go ahead and give it open. And you know I love so Louis has the pull tabs that I usually like. They do a pull tab really well normally, so I hope this one does not disappoint me. So I saved the pull tab to do it with you all, because you know how much I love it. It's almost like, you know, bubble wrap, how kids like bubble wrap. My children love that. So they love when I get a package and it has a lot of bubble wrap, and they'll just take the bubble wrap and snap it until it drives me crazy. They're obsessed with that. So that's how I feel about the pull tabs on Louis Vuitton boxes. I love the way it goes, and I call it the okay, so don't let me down, Louis. Come through. Yes! Oh God, we might have to do a replay of that. Yes! I'm obsessed with that. I love it. They do such a great job with that pull tab. It's chef's kiss for the pull tab for me. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. Small box. I mean, but you know, it could be anything. It, you know, there could be like, you know, I don't know, somebody in here. Vivian could be in here. Oh, I did. They gave me the holiday wrapping. Oh, I love it. Yay. We got ribbons. Remember last year, this time when Louis Vuitton wasn't giving anyone ribbons for like a year? It was so bad. That was so bad. Like, don't ever do that again, Louis Vuitton, okay? You need a stockpile of ribbons. Don't ever do that again. But yes, so I got, ta-da! No magazine. No samples. But I got a ribbon! I got a red ribbon. So yes, I got the holiday ribbon. That's always nice. And then in here is, what? The bill, I'm sure. So Louis Vuitton doesn't do anything really exciting in their envelopes. It's just, you know, a card that says, thank you for shopping. You get like the return label. They another sheet that says about exchanges and returns. You get the bill and the return label. That's all. That's all. And if you wrote yourself a note like me, but I didn't write myself a note for this one. This was a, yeah, this was a late addition to the Unboxmas. This is one of those, you know, we ordered this after Unboxmas started. I saw another YouTuber with these and I was like, oh. And I had already ordered something similar, and then when I saw these, I was like, where did you get those beautiful gems, those beautiful, the beautiful thing? Where did you get that mirage? And I went on the website and it was available, placed in cart, bought it. So here we go. It's just a little drawer action. Ooh, child. Oh, this is tiny. Where are you going with these? This is tiny. Tiny. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Okay. Now I know I'm not going to be able to get a good image of this. So I'm probably going to have cutaways of it because this is tiny business. My big old hands are going to be all up in the screen. So I'll try to get cutaways of it, but OMG. Guys. Oh my God, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh. So, okay. Oh my goodness. So they're earrings. Okay, let me see if I can show you. Look, stop moving. Can you see that? They are stunning. Oh my gosh, they're stunning. So I'll try to do, like I said, close-ups. Or like a cutaway close-up of this. So all right, so if you've been following Unboxmas and you've been, you know, here from day one, and if not, I'll put it up in the iCards. But if you were following Unboxmas, I got these earrings from Majuri and I'm wearing them today, the ones in my first haul. So I got these Majuri earrings, and they have like a jacket. That's what they're calling it, a jacket. So it's like a two-piece. So there's a top piece that goes in the front of your ear and there's a piece that goes to the back. Then of course I watched Dale from Dale's Addiction, and I'll link her video in iCards, and she got these Louis Vuitton ones with the jacket in the back, and it's got these really cool like LV, all of the fleur-de-lis pieces from Louis Vuitton. And I was like, where you get those from? What? That's like my earring from Majuri, but like the 2.0 version. Like, those are dope. So I went on the site, and I already knew, because you know Louis Vuitton be playing those games. So I already knew they weren't going to have it, but I was like, let's just see if it's even available, because Dale lives in Australia, so I'm in the US. So I was like, they're not gonna have it anyway, but I'm gonna go look. I'll put it maybe on my wish list for another day. I went and it was placed in cart. Also, I was going to get the Fall in Love hoops, the heart hoops, Louis Vuitton heart hoops with the LV in the middle, but all of the reviews I saw, people were bashing it. They were like, don't even get it, it's smaller, it's not good, it's not like the round ones, like the Louis hoop earrings. So I was like, all right, I was gonna get the 2 of them, but once I saw that the reviews on the heart ones were kind of like, everyone was like, oh, I thought it was gonna be bigger, I thought it was gonna be bigger. The biggest one is still relatively small, what have you. And it looks a lot like my Louise ones, except that they're the heart shape. So I was like, so that one I left, but that was also placed in cart. I was like, what's going on? Louis Vuitton got things in stock? Like, oh my gosh. So but I saw these and I was like, sick. I have to get them. They're so interesting. They're so pretty. They're feminine, but then they've got a little bit of, let me put these on for you. I'm gonna put these on so you can see. And so you can see what it looks like. I'll take my Majuri ones off, but I am when I tell you obsessed, these look so dope. I'm gonna put them on. Give me a minute. Okay, so these are them on. Okay, not the easiest to put on. I feel like the Majuri ones were easier to maneuver. They both have the same mechanism in the back for the jacket, where there are 2 settings or 3 settings for you to be able to move the post down to have it either hang a little bit lower or be more of a huggy and closer to the ear. I believe I tried to get them on 2 different settings so you can see it. Yeah, I feel like this one is a little bit more of a huggy and it's shorter, and then this one hangs just a little bit. I think this is on the higher setting. So just to give you an idea of, you know, how it can look, I prefer it to be shorter, like more of a huggy type of situation. But these are so interesting. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this style of earring right now. However, not easy to put on. I'm not even kidding you. I was sitting here for like a good 10 minutes. If you have long nails, or you know, whatever, you might need help, at least until you get used to putting it on. It's not the easiest, I'm not gonna lie. I was struggling to put them on, but they look so pretty. Oh my gosh, they're understated but interesting, trendy but classic, like all the vibes. Like I'm loving it. Okay, here's the little, so what are they called? They're the cruiser earrings. Here's the little there you go, the little whatever, the tag on it. These, okay, so let's just be clear, this is not fine jewelry. So this is not 14 karat gold, 18 karat gold, any of that thing. So, you know, the price point is kind of high because it's Louis Vuitton, but it's not fine jewelry. So some people, and I understand, I overstand, are like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you're spending that much for costume of a fashion jewelry. But listen, as long as it doesn't turn my ear green, right? Like I don't have allergic reaction to it, and it doesn't start to tarnish or change its coloring or so on, I'm okay with the price point. I'm good with it. But it needs to match that, right? Like it needs to work at that level. It needs to perform at the level that I'm paying for it at. So if I spend $500, $600, $700 on a fashion piece and I wear it for a year and then it starts to discolor, or it, you know, my ear has a sensitivity to it, then that's different. Then I would be like, oh no. But usually these fashion pieces, guys, I have to tell you, they usually wear and they wear very well, and the patina or the wear and tear is it's just really minimal. Like my Louise hoop earrings, I've had now over a year. It has to be over a year, and I wear them all the time. Like I dog those things. Like I have to put them aside sometimes because I would wear them almost every day, and the wear on them, like they don't even look like, no scratches, no anything, especially because they're earrings, so they're not really brushing up against anything. I think rings, obviously rings you'll be like a little bit harder on, but like earrings, they look as good as they did when I first got them. Like, they really have held up really, really well. I mean, I don't shower with them. I don't, you know, wear them to sleep or anything like that. And so there's minimal wear. So yeah, they cost like, I don't know, whatever the price was, I think 700 and change for them. But I've gotten my cost per wear for it, and I will continue to wear them until, I don't know, whenever. Until I don't want to wear them anymore, until my daughter starts to steal them from me and wear them. But you know what I mean? So it's worth it in that sense. I mean, obviously you want the fine jewelry pieces have a convenience that you don't have to worry if you get them wet. You can wear them to bed, or you can wear them. But a lot of the fashion pieces that I buy, I would not maybe wear every day anyway. So it doesn't, you know, I don't mind as long as they don't get messed up, then I'm okay with it. But I'm obsessed with this style of earring right now, with this little jacket situation. I was gonna get the Dior pearl one. It's called, I think, the tribal earring. I was gonna get that, but I don't even want that anymore. Like, this has just rocked my world. Like, I'm here for this style that has that jacket piece that kind of comes back forward, whereas the Dior tribal one, the earring, the back piece faces more to the back, whereas this one, it faces forward. So it just looks so interesting. And in the bag, this bag was like so tiny. So I was like, oh, these earrings are going to look like, you know, dust, you know, like lint. They're like so small, but they actually have a bit of a presence. So it's not like they're not getting lost. I mean, obviously, like if I put my hair forward, you won't be able to see them. Then they'll get lost for sure. They'll get lost. But if you have your hair back, or if you're wearing your hair up, like in the summer, and you want to wear your hair up in like a little bun or something, and that's your, or if you got a short haircut and you wear these, and you like have like other little diamonds going up your ear, or you have like a little huggy or something on your going up your ear, that's all I gotta say. It's fabulous. I'm obsessed. So I'll put the image from the website on the page, you know, as I always do. I'll give you a bit of a cutaway so you can see what they're going for and what have you, and the proper name for them and the style number and all that jazz. It was available excuse me, on site not too long ago. Like, I recently ordered these. This is not something that, you know, like was a pre-order or I had for a while. Like, I ordered these maybe like a couple days ago. I want to say maybe like last week. They came super fast. So yeah, and well, I'm not that far from one of the distribution centers for Louis Vuitton, so anytime I order anything from them, if it's in stock, I usually get it pretty quick, because I'm only like this, I think it's in New Jersey, so I'm only like one state away. So yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh, so I'm so happy to be able to bring some Louis Vuitton back to the channel. Hopefully this is not the last Louis Vuitton. Hopefully Louis Vuitton give me some love and we can get something in here. I've had my eye on that Speedy 20. I mean, I've been searching for that Speedy 20, and it's just, it's like, it doesn't want to come over. It's like, hey, what am I gonna do to get that Speedy 20? So anybody knows an SA that has the hookup for that Speedy 20, holla in the comments and let us just know so I can get that Speedy 20. So that'd be a nice little after Christmas present. Because I don't think I'm allowed to have anything for Christmas. I'm literally gonna get like nothing. But it's okay, because when I come to the living room for my Christmas presents, when we're all sharing our presents, I'm just gonna wear everything that I gave myself for Unboxmas. So I'm just gonna be like, I'm having my Hermes scarf on with the Chanel brooch in it, with like, you know, my Chanel earmuffs, like all at the same time, like wearing all of it. So I don't feel any type of way when I get nothing, because I just like OD'd for Unboxmas. But it's all good. I'm good with it. I'm fine. I don't really need anything, honestly. I spoil myself enough that it's not even about me for the holidays. It's all about giving. So anyway, all right, so I am all done. I hope you liked this unboxing and this little LV flex. Dale, thank you so much for putting me on to these earrings. I'm obsessed. And that's it. Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when Auntie Ren is in the house, dropping these gems, getting influenced by other YouTubers, giving Louis Vuitton some love. And that's it. I will see you lot tomorrow. Hope you're safe wherever you are. Talk to you soon. Bye.